How many do you have,
Whoa,
Riley?
there's a large one over here.
That's a good size.
Yeah, a lot of ones. All of us. I don't like stepping in soil. I have one. Really tiny ones. Oh my god. They smell bad.
Saya, those are going to be filthy. Oh, wow, Coraline. Oh, your bucket's even bigger. It's probably about the same amount. It's a ton of potatoes. What? Oh.
How do you guys not see? Oh, look what I found.
That one's crazy.
Can I have that? I just put out one potato.
Why are you throwing potatoes?
They are itchy. No, icky. Icky. I'm gonna wash my hands out. I can't. My feet were
Ow.
wet. Oh my god, I'm just gonna get every potato.
Just set it off to the side. It's a video, baby.
No. I don't.
Or just leave it there and Papa will grab it.
No, I have too many potatoes to carry.
Are you okay?
I have so many.
Just leave your bucket there.
Wow, look at these potatoes I got.
Or what?
There's a bug. Did you see the bug? Here, I got it.
It's okay.
There.
No, I think it's a lightning bug. They're endangered.
I'm going.
It's a nice bug, Cora. You catch those.
There's a firefly. It's away. It's gone. Potatoes.
How many do you think are in there?
Let me try and carry it. Like 100.
Be careful.
It's heavy. Alright, let's get some more potatoes. Another small potato. Ooh, and one right here. How did I miss that much potato? Another potato. Don't pick up that one. That one's just disgusting. Is there poop in here?
No.
What? No, what is it? Why does it smell bad then? No, like when I smelled my hands after I cleaned them, my hands smell like potato. Your hands are like how? Throw that in there.
You got some, Saya? Let me see.
Oh, I found one. I found one.
Perfect.
Yeah. Now it's squashed up with the other one. So cute.
Yeah.
Oh, baby. Me and Cora. One. They're squished up. Here, check over. What is this red thing?
Great.
Yeah.
It's a good one.
Perfect. I think I'm done.
Good job. Got a lot of potatoes.
So good.
Pretend like you're driving.
This is just different because usually when I record my videos, I just record it all
Yeah.
of it.
Well, it's different when you're just playing a game.
Yeah. doll video. Remember from my one doll video. I just found a potato. I just pulled out the plant.
It was still in the root.
Yeah. That's why I shoot. My socks.
It's okay.
I don't like it. That's why every time I empty it out, they just come back in.